Get the.
He can't see me either.
Get the other little stool. And move over beside her sissy.
I actually dropped it in the ketchup.
Move beside her sissy.
Hey, you should have showed the camera. That's actually good. I only want to bring my fries there. Well, you did it, so.
Whoa, we just, whoa, get back up there at that chicken.
You
Let's
wanted
go.
6 chickens.
Remember when we talked about that, about no whining complaints. You wanted 6 chickens, you didn't want 4.
You wanted 6 chickens.
Yeah, you better do your best on that chicken and go for it, pal.
Papa was only going to get you 4. And you were back there crying because you wanted 6.
I don't get that no more. Next time you better.
Hey guys, I'm sitting low because I'm on a.
Well, maybe they can help you
You
out.
can't see me. So.
She needs another one.
Hello.
Yeah, you can share one of them
Hello.
with Thea.
Oh.
If you want to share one piece with Thea, that will give you 5 and Thea 5.
I slept like I was standing like this, and I was like.
Thea, would you like another piece of chicken?
No. 42.
Oh.
42. I was about to say 42.3.
No.
Make 2 pieces of chicken.
That would be 400. That would be 423. Hey, Mom.
We're not going to be hungry after a while. What's wrong with you? Maybe.
I wish it was, I wish my dad was already there and we could have.
I like banana peppers and cucumbers.
The come got the banana peppers back.
I noticed. I wondered about that if you went in. Good job, yeah. Yeah, one good sandwich. Not a good idea for the deck, Riley.
Do you think we deserve a sleepover?
You've been pretty good today.
She said we deserve a sleepover. 333. Oh no. 343. 333. It's already 3:45. Look. 2021, little slow clock. 3:42 actually on that one. 3:44. It's a quarter till 4. A quarter is 25. A quarter till 4. No, a quarter is 15 minutes in time. Oh. Not in money. In time, it's 15 minutes. A quarter till 4. I thought it was already 4, and you were about to say a quarter till 5.
Okay, that's better. I thought I was going to lay down for a little bit. I might not. How does that happen when you're good? How does that happen when you're doing really good?
You're bleeding! Help.
Aren't you supposed to be sitting there eating?
He slid. The stool slid.
How did it slide? On its own? Let's see how that did. Let's see. If you're just sitting there still on that stool and it slid, well, that's amazing.
How did the stool slide if you were sitting
You're sitting
still
still.
in the stool? If you were sitting still in the stool, how did it slide?
Let's see. I'll just watch that and see
Because
what
if
happens
you're
again.
sitting still in the stool,
Yeah.
it could not slide. So if you were sitting still in the stool, how did it slide?
Yeah.
Because
That's
it
what
wasn't
he was
even,
doing.
because it wasn't even moving.
Trying to show the video that he was eating the fry.
Okay.
You should show the camera that. Your elbow. Yeah? Because I'm putting this on YouTube right now. Yes. recording for